Dividing a polynomial with a missing term. By missing term, what it means is that, see how it goes from x cubed to x? The x squared term is missing. It goes from x cubed to x to no x. And the bottom's okay, it goes from x to no x. So when you have a missing term like that, like the x squared term is missing, what we're going to do is use a placeholder. So we're going to use long division. So you're going to start by doing a long division symbol. You're dividing by x minus 4, so x minus 4 is going to go on the outside there. The top part goes on the inside, so we're going to do 2x cubed, and we're going to put the placeholder here. I'm going to write the placeholder as a 0x squared. 0 times anything is 0, so I'm just putting the x squared term there just to, it's going to make things line up, and I realize that the x squared term is missing. And then I have minus 12x and a minus 10. All right, when you're doing long division, first you want to focus in on the x and the 2x cubed. You're trying to figure out what this term is going to be. This term is going to multiply x to give you exactly 2x cubed. And 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. So 2x squared is going to go right there. And then you're going to take the 2x squared and you're going to multiply it to both the x and the minus 4. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed, which I'm going to put under that 2x cubed. And then 2x squared times this minus 4 is going to give me a minus 8x squared. There's the placeholder where it comes in handy. It lines up the x squared terms. All right, now you're going to draw a line here and you're going to subtract. You want to subtract each term here. So you're going to subtract this and you're going to subtract a negative. So the double negative becomes positive. So the 2x cubes are gone. 0 plus 8 is 8. So this is going to be 8x squared. And you're subtracting nothing from these two terms. So you're going to bring these down. All right, next we want this term right here. This term is going to multiply the x to give you 8x squared. That's going to be 8x. So we want a plus 8x there. Then you're going to take the 8x and distribute it to both terms out here. 8x times x is 8x squared. And 8x times this minus 4 is going to be a minus 32x. All right, we're going to subtract again. Subtracting a negative turns it into a positive. The 8x squareds are gone. Negative 12 plus 32 is 20, so it's going to be a 20x. And bring down the minus 10. Now we want this term here. This term is going to multiply x to give you 20x. It's going to be 20. So I need a plus 20 here. 20 times x is 20x. 20 times the negative 4 is negative 80. So we're going to have a minus 80 here. And again, you want to subtract. So change those signs. The 20x's are gone. Negative 10 plus 80 is 70. When the degree of this remainder is less than the degree of this, then you're done. So our remainder is 70. So the answer is going to be this top piece plus the remainder 70 over the divisor x minus 4. So we're going to write my answer as 2x squared plus 8x plus 20 plus the remainder 70 over the divisor. And that is your answer. There you go.